Hi everybody, it's Linda. Welcome back to Tips for You. Well, while I tell you about what we're going to be doing in this video, I want you to start to relax. I want you to stand straight facing me with your feet a few inches apart. Does not have to be shoulder width. It's just a little bit less than shoulder width. Head straight ahead, spine straight and relaxed. I want your arms out by your side. Okay, and I want you to raise up your arms like this. Just have them in front of you. Very, very heavy. Relax all the muscles in your arms. Kind of like you've got just a wet towel hanging from your arms. But they're being supported by a soft, fluffy cloud. You feel your fingers tingling as the blood starts to go. As soon as you relax your muscles like that, the blood flow just starts to happen. Just relax your arms. Relax your muscles. Feel the heaviness. Feel the heaviness in your fingers. Feel your shoulders begin to relax and drop. Now bring them down and let them dangle by your side heavy. Let's start with a few breaths, and I'll tell you what we're going to be doing. So you're going to inhale, exhale out. Again. Exhale out. Again, inhale, and exhale out. We're going to be doing Tai Chi exercises to relax our eyes, face, neck, and shoulders. Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese art of self-defense that was slowed down to flow beautifully. For the mind and the body, it integrates slow-moving exercise in a meditative fashion. It's almost like meditation in motion, and it's very healing. My Tai Chi instructor has said that you can heal from anything with Tai Chi. So I hope you enjoy this rest and relaxation Tai Chi exercise routine. Let it carry your stress away and bring you peace and the flow of positive energy through your body. Alright, put your hands down to your sides and let's begin. We're going to start with the eyes. You can leave them open when I begin, but if you want to start closing them because they're going to feel so relaxed and heavy, then please feel free to do that. Really get into this and take the time that you need to explore the areas that you feel are tense. You're holding a lot of tension and stress, and just focus on letting it go and releasing it and letting the flow, positive, nourishing energy in. We're all pinched up a lot during the day. We cut off our blood flow and our energy. We're going to let it flow now. Alright? So let's begin. Let's start by relaxing your eyelid muscles. Soften your gaze. Let the eyelids just start to really feel relaxed. The muscles become softer, heavier. You feel like you just want to close your eyes. They just feel so heavy. Your eyelids are so heavy now. Your eyes work so hard for you all day long. They're some of the strongest muscles in your body. 6 of them to be exact. They're called your extraocular muscles. Relax them one by one. Relax each one of those muscles. Feel them relax. Feel your eyeballs get very soft, very relaxed. Now the entire eye socket is just relaxed. There's no more pressure. There's no more strain. We hold a lot of strain in our eyes, focusing on computers and cell phones and concentrating all the time. The middle of our forehead gets stressed and tight, nerves get bound up, blood flow gets cut off. Relax those forehead muscles. Relax the muscles between your eyes. Feel them soften. Feel the soft, heavy muscles. Relax, just open up. Feel fresh and new. Now, relax your optic nerve that connects your eyes to your brain in the back of your eye. Relax that optic nerve. Feel the cool darkness as your eyes begin to just let go. They're heavy. Now take a moment to just feel the relaxation. Feel the blood flow flowing into your eyes, nourishing them with fresh oxygen. Begin to welcome the chi, the life force, the energy of life itself. Now I want you to slowly open your eyes, and I want you to take 4 cleansing breaths. With each breath, you're getting rich, oxygenated blood to all the cells of your body. And now we're going to relax our face. And we're going to start by relaxing our tongue. It's very important to relax the tongue in Tai Chi. You're going to put your tongue on the roof of your mouth behind your front teeth on the soft palate. So if you want to know where to find that, say the letter L. And when you say L, your tongue will touch the top of the soft palate and the roof of your mouth right behind your front teeth. You want to relax that tongue, which means that you want the muscles under your tongue to soften and relax. You don't want to press it there to the top of your palate. Just want to let it sit there, gently sit there. It's a very relaxing posture for your mouth. And when you relax those muscles under your tongue, you'll feel your jaw begin to relax. So let your jaw just soften and relax. You feel it drop, and you'll feel your lips part now. And you'll feel the muscles in your face begin to just fall, relax. You'll feel all the tension just come out of your face. Your cheeks become softer. Let the tension go. Let it relax. Breathe calmly. Breathe regularly. Focus on letting go. Focus on relaxation. Focus on letting those facial muscles just soften. Just relax. And now we're going to relax the neck. The neck holds a lot of tension. To help you do this, I want you to envision your neck being in the middle of a large clock. And the front of your neck is at 12 o'clock, and the back of your neck is at 6 o'clock. And the right side of your neck is going to be 3 o'clock, and the left side of your neck is going to be 9 o'clock. And there are 60 minutes to this clock, and I want you to use each of those minutes in the face of the clock as movements to stretch your neck. So let's begin by moving our neck an increment at a time, and really go into those areas where you feel tension. Hold your stretch as long as you need to in any position. You can go back and forth between minutes if you feel a knot or a tight spot. Take your time. Spend as long as you need to. Be mindful. not to go backward too far with your neck, only to where it feels good. Tai Chi is wonderful to do outside because you can tap into nature's energy. Are you enjoying the sound of the crickets in the background? It's interesting how in the fall the crickets are out in the daytime. It's a beautiful fall day. There's quite a nice breeze. Can you hear the wind blowing? You can make larger movements by moving from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, or you can do small incremental minute movements. You get every little vertebrae to release. We carry so much tension in our necks. Just release it. Lean into it, then let it go. We have stress in our necks from bad posture, or cradling a phone, or texting, or sleeping in a bad position. So we need to relax those muscles. Feel them let go as you move all around the face of the clock, minute by minute, motion by motion, and you feel the stress just relax. When you feel a little tight spot, just go back. Lean into it. Feel the stretch and release the tension. Feel the stress just fade away. Just release and fade away. Hear that beautiful breeze? Feel it. Feel the wind just blowing through your hair, the fresh oxygen filling your lungs, and relax. Don't rush this form of relaxation. This is such an important stretching time right now. Stretching your neck stretches your whole body, releases the fatigue in your shoulders. Let your shoulders hang, let them drop. Feel the weight of your arms as you move your neck. Feel the tension just slowly fade away. It's drifting away. It's releasing from the hold it has on your body. It's letting you go. It's setting you free. If you need to pause this video and stay here and work your neck, please do so. This is wonderful for you. When you're ready, I want you to just focus on your shoulders. Feel them heavy. Feel them dropping now. Feel the muscles relax all the way down into your arms, into your hands. There's no more tension. Everything is just loose, heavy, and free, completely relaxed. You are now in harmony with the energy and life force of all living things. Now let's get ready to come back. Slowly, I want you to open your eyes. Just arouse yourself a little bit. Take some breaths, blow it out. And I want you to move your fingers around a little and sort of wake yourself up. You've been beautifully relaxed. You feel calm and peaceful. Just shake out your arms a little. Start moving them. Just gently, gently. You don't want to arouse your body too much, too quickly. Just a little bit. Move your feet around. Move your legs around where you're standing. Take some more deep breaths. We're coming back now. And let's take some cleansing breaths. How do you feel? Feel relaxed? Does it feel wonderful? It's amazing how the body just relaxes when you can just relax the upper area of your body. How you just remove the tension and slow your heart rate, your breathing, and you just center yourself. And you can just heal yourself that way. I hope you will do this wonderful relaxation technique. You can do this as many times during the day for as long as you want that you need to, okay? It's very restorative. Tai Chi is very healing, and it's for everyone, all ages. And if you've got any kind of health problem or even like a handicap issue, people can still do Tai Chi. It is just wonderful. I really hope you'll give it a try, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me know below in the comments, and give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, because I have a lot more to come, something of interest to everyone. And please visit me at my blog spot where I do a lot of writing. I'm also on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, so we can stay connected there as well. Okay? Well, thanks so much for viewing. Bye-bye now.